Christensen's disruptive innovation theory is there, and what it says that these disruptive innovations can create significant customer value and come from a very small or new companies. This is very important, that it is not necessary that disruption will be caused by giants or disruption will be caused by the established businesses. There is a possibility, or there are more rather chances, that small or new companies, maybe startups, maybe some MSMEs may come up with some disruptive innovation, and what they are doing the value addition to the product or a service, and probably that will be accepted by the customer. Now, in such situation what happens, the established companies get challenged. They are challenged because of that particular new entrant in the market, because that new entrant, although not established, is like offering a very competitive product or very competitive service, and that probably is a threat to the established companies. That is generally the situation.